Go. Hi, good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Helen Dizon Rabaya. I'm 41 years old. I'm single. I have 2 kids, a son and a daughter, and I live in the province.
Okay. Do you have any experience to working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I worked 3 years in Kingdom of Bahrain and in Hong Kong.
Okay. How long did you stay in that employer?
In Bahrain, I stayed for 3 years, and in Hong Kong, I worked as 1 year.
Okay. What are your main duties in your previous employer?
My main duties are cooking, cleaning the house, take care of children, and sometimes washing the cars.
Oh, okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong again?
I choose working in Hong Kong again because of the high salary and the good people there, and the employers are nice.
Okay, that's great. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to cook simple foods like stir fry, soup, simple soup, chicken, and fried vegetables.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
How about the elder person?
Yes, of course. Aside from that, I have background in medical course.
Oh, okay. What if the baby has fever? What will you do?
First thing to do is check first if really she had a fever for the thermometer, and immediately I report the employer what happening to the kids, and she will tell me what to do.
Okay. What can you teach to your employer's children?
To the children, it's basically teaching them how to speak sometimes, if not speaking, or good manners, reading, like that.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, I can.
Can you give an example for me?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding upright, so green and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Oh, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Of course, it's a kind, understanding, and good person.
Oh, are you afraid of dog and cats?
No, I'm not, because I love cats and dogs and other animals.
Okay. What can you say about yourself? How about your attitude?
I can say I'm honest, obedient, and perseverance, and do all my duties in my responsibilities.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Sir, ma'am, if you hire me as your next helper in your house, I will promise I will take care of your family. I will do all the works you will obligate me to do, and take care of children if you have children, and I promise you to finish my 2-year contract with you. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you.